Assalamu alaikum, dear viewers. Today I am going to start lecture of Urdu language. Anyone who is interested to learn this beautiful language must watch my sessions. Let's start from the Urdu alphabets called Haruf-e-Tahajji. Alif, Alif. This is the first letter of Urdu alphabets. Alif. It sounds as A. It's like short vowel sound. A, alif, a, alif mad a, alif mad a. This is the second word of Urdu alphabets. It produces long vowel sound. A, a, alif mad a sounds a. Be, be. This is the third word of Urdu alphabets. Sounds be. Be. Its sound as ba, ba, be, ba. The word next to be is pay, pay. There is a little difference between be and pay is that be has only one dot under it, whereas pay has three dots. Otherwise, it is written like as be. Its sound as pa, pa, pe, pa, pa. It is the fourth word in Urdu alphabets. The fifth word of Urdu alphabets is te, te. Be has one dot under it, as well pe has three dots. In this case, te has two dots inside it. There is just a little difference that be has one dot under it, P has three dots under it, whereas Te has two dots inside it, and it sounds as Te, Te, Ta, Ta, Te. The next word to Te is Te, Te. Its sound start from English letter T sound. Te, 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 Ta, Ta, Te, Ta, Ta. Say, say. This is the seventh word of Urdu alphabets and its sound as say, sa, sa, and it has three dots inside it. Say, say, sa, sa, say, sa. Before closing of today's session, let's repeat these letters for once. Alif, alif mad a, be, pe, te, te, se. Don't forget to subscribe. Maths teacher, thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.